Do you want to create memes that truly stand out and capture your audience attention? Look no further than Supermeme.ai, where you can create memes that are guaranteed to make an impact. Once you are in, you have three options to create memes. The first is text to meme. Simply enter any text that you want to use for your meme. Within seconds, Supermeme AI will generate a relevant meme that you can download and use. But that's not all. Supermeme AI also offers a wide variety of themes. Then select a theme, choose template, or upload your own image to create a custom meme. You can create memes that are truly one of kind and stand out from the competition. Finally, the last option is search option. Select a template, choose your desired theme, and hit generate to see the amazing memes created by Supermeme AI. With Supermeme AI, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Supermeme AI today. Start creating memes that your audience will love.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit aidemos.com.